Hi, I'm your Excel buddy here, and today we are going to learn something about Vlookup. Vlookup is a function which is mostly looked out for when we talk about Excel. So, to begin with, as you can see, I have a list of a couple of employees, that is 15 in numbers, and these are the employee IDs. Now, I have to identify the names of these employees. So to begin with, to explain how VLOOKUP starts working, we'll go ahead and search for the names of those employees from the database where they are actually put in. So let us say this is the place from where I have to choose these employees. So we'll begin. We'll come back where we want the names of these employees to be displayed, and here we'll simply go ahead and apply the function vlookup. So we'll go equals vlookup open parentheses, and now it automatically starts guiding us what to do. It wants us to key in the lookup value. Which value are you looking up for? Simple, I'm looking up for this value, comma, table array. Where are you looking this value? I'll be looking up for this value in this table array. So in this table, let us say I have these 4 columns in my table. Fine. So I've chosen these 4 columns. Okay, this is the table where I'm looking up for this value, comma, column index number. From which column do you want the system to pull out the value? So I want to pull out the value from 1, 2, that is second column. I say look out for second column, comma, range lookup, true or false approximate match, we say 0. I close parenthesis and hit enter. There I am. 23601 is Anil. Should we go ahead and verify? 23601, yep, that is Anil. And now, simply as we know, we can drag and drop this to get the name of all the other employees. So this is how we get it for this employee ID, the names for these employee IDs. Now, what about department? Let us say I want to get the department name as well. Now, let us say I want to check for the department as well. But now when I drag this formula to the right, these references will automatically change. So, to keep on looking for a particular reference, not allowing it to change, I'll have to freeze that. Now we'll see how we can freeze the references. Like here, you can see this is A2. It is looking up for A2 in A to D and second value. Now when I drag it to the right, you will see this automatically changes to looking up for B2. It's not looking up for employee ID 23601 now. It's rather looking for Anil. So that's not the way I want to do it. So how will I do that? So before dragging the formula to the right or to the bottom, all we have to do is freeze the references. How do we freeze the references? So there we go. For A2, we have to freeze column A. So we'll be putting a $sign before the column name. Even here, we have to freeze the reference table or the table array to shift from A to D to B to E, C to F, and so on. So even here we'll have to apply these $signs. So this was the manual way of doing it by putting a dollar sign. Another way of freezing these references is, let us say I select this lookup value. I am trying to freeze the lookup value and start hitting F4 button. So there you are. F4 freezes A2. I hit F4 again. It freezes 2. No, I don't want this. I hit again. And yes, this is what I want. So F4 is the button for this. So I hit enter. You see, nothing is changed here. Nothing changes here too. But now when I drag this to the right, there I am. You can see it's bringing me the same thing. Yes, the reason is it is looking for second value. Now I change it to third value. You see, I get the department. Drag and drop. Now here I change it to fourth value. And you see, I have the salary. Drag and drop. So this is how we can use Vlookup. We'll talk about more interesting things about Vlookup maybe in a couple of next videos. Till then, let us try and practice Vlookup as this basic formulae. I hope this would have helped. Thank you.